You're just so excited because it's snowing.
I am so excited because it's snowing.
And I'm freezing my butt off having the door open to video you.
Yeah, you know, get used to it. It's going to be cold for the next few days.
Yeah, it is. So, just a little flurry so far. Welcome to the beginning of the first big blizzard of 2025.
Snowpocalypse 2025 has begun.
That's right. Well, and it's landing. It's landing on me. You can see it on my shirt. So yeah, it's there. So Sue and I have been on a little road trip, and we thought driving, and we thought we'd stretch our legs for a little while and maybe check out a couple antique stores along the way. So this is going to be the Shops of Louden, I believe it is. Shops on the Square. That's what it is. Shops on the Square, and it's up here on the right. It's looks like a little tiny antique mall. I don't have any idea. Ooh, look pretty silver already. You all know we love our silver. So it looks like it's a pretty decent size. So let's go in. Covington House, it's really pretty. I love the dried hydrangeas. The dried hydrangeas are gorgeous. Very pretty. Looks like a more designer booth. I like the little basket setups up here. Very pretty styled. Very cool vintage baby buggy. Must have been a doll buggy because of the height, but very cool. Chickens. Y'all know I love finding some good chickens. So this pair is $14.95, and these are running about $8 each, I think. $10.95 for the salt and pepper set. They're actually priced really well. Not enough meat on the bone for me to resell, but they're really good pricing.
Ooh, okay.
Oh, that's nice looking.
I've never seen one like that before.
Good shape.
This one's pretty too.
I like that one a lot.
Another one.
Yeah. Very cool. Actually, I really like all the shapes. I think they're all
Different.
This is a neat bowl too.
Yes.
Pair of corbels, $139. They feel like reproductions. Oh yeah, they're resin. But $139 for the pair seems like a great price. Pretty little pictures. Little silver. I really like this picture here. We got a very pretty collection of enamel and bowls here. Enamel cooking pot, $9. Goodness, how much is this? How much is this big old kettle? $50. Yeah, that seems a bit more reasonable. I like this blue kettle too. $30. Wonder why this little enamel cooking pot is only $9. It's pretty cute for $9. $5 for the little brown bowl. Nice little collection of milk glass down here. There's a very pretty collection of old copper and brass pieces. $45. Look at the shape on this. That is a gorgeous shape. Hang on, tag keeps floating around. I can't read it. $75. Very pretty. All of these are really, really beautiful. All right, we're gonna see if Sue thinks it has the ironstone cling. I was trying to flick it. What?
Sounds like there might be a crack in it. It's got a slight thud, so it doesn't sound.
All right, then I'll go put it back.
I mean, I don't know.
All right, I'll put it back. Oh, hey, he's really cute. How much is he? Original price, $69.95. Sale price is $59.95. It's only $10 off. Boy, is he cute. All right, Sue really likes a lot of the stuff in this booth. She just me over here. She's right there. was a little bit ahead of me. This is a beautiful kettle. $55 seems like a very reasonable price on it. Pretty little box. We saw a lot of pretty little boxes. $22.50. That scoop is really pretty. That's a beautiful scoop. Yeah, I like a lot of the stuff in here. Pretty little scale. What is that? $25. That seems a smidge pricey to me, but you know, every market is different too. So that's the thing. What might be pricey in our market might not be pricey in theirs, and vice versa. I do like these yardsticks. They're pretty cool. It's amazing how much yardsticks cost these days. $3.50, that's not bad. This little tiny bowl. It's pretty adorable. $20. Love the scale coloring. That detail on the bottom of the bowl. It's really beautiful. Kind of funny to have this giant fluffy ornament in there. Yep. I agree with Sue. There's some really pretty items in here. And then we've got all of these little ladies' heads. I spy with my little eye lots of Longaberger. I do love me some Longaberger. Oh, I wonder why this lone little basket. Oh, that's because it's Bradford basket. It's not a Longaberger. Still a cute basket. Oh, he's just adorable. So cute he is. I like him a lot. The table's pretty too. Big old deer head on the wall. Looks like there's an open booth. Maybe somebody needs a space. This booth is the closest I have seen to Stacked Unpacked. I'm not sure if people don't know how to do it here or they just haven't done it since the holidays, after taking stuff out for the holidays. But we need to work a little bit in the store and get more merchandise in these booths so they can do better. Because I feel like there's a lot of empty. Oh, look how pretty that piece is. That's beautifully done. Well done, whoever you are. Really lovely. More very pretty milk glass. I really like this quilted piece here on the end. Dialing it up, man. There's some really pretty pieces up there. I cannot reach and I cannot see all the prices, but I do like that one for 10. I can't turn it on. And what a pretty little spice rack for $25. Hang it on your wall. Use it. Really beautiful vintage decor. Ooh, I'll be dropping this thing all over the place. Still got its little stoppers intact. Really nice piece. Really beautiful teacups here. Gorgeous transferware. And come down, you've got some more nice copper. Very nice. So this video is not sponsored by Green Chef, but we did make 2 Green Chef meals tonight. So this is our chicken and broccoli and polenta. And then we have this lovely meal as well. So this was the trattoria chicken and pan-seared polenta. Sue-Ann, what was the other meal?
That one is the
Cavatappi. Yeah, so looks pretty good. We're gonna find out how good it is. Another stop along the way. This is called Grit and Grace, but check out this old building. Now that building is still pretty decrepit, but there's several stores along this way. Better come down here. So pretty. The doors there. All right, so you come in. So he's like, there's not gonna be heat on in here. I'm like, there's gonna be heat on. This is fantastic. Oh, I can't wait. Straight off the gate. How cute is this bunny. He's so fabulous. So fabulous. I'm kind of always trying to look at displays too. I love all these baskets up around the top of this Recollections. This art is spectacular. And here we've been getting a lot of these kinds of canvases for our Wednesday night whatnots. And we're going to bring a lot to market framed as well. I think they're going to do really well. I'm excited to see them somewhere else so that it's just not my weird quirkiness. What a spectacular display mannequin. Very vintage, very cool. When you're styling your booth, these little pieces like this, these can really add up. So this is a magnet. It is $5. Very quick to make. We've got a little magnet board there. There's some more up here. And then these little signs, very quick to make. They can really add up. Again, in this booth, I'm seeing, so they're using a bed as an arch to attach all the baskets. I feel like I'm sensing some themes here. Anybody else? These are adorable little cork mushrooms. Looks like they've just carved out the cork. Maybe not, maybe even just painted it. $3 each. Very cute. These are super simple little projects. Also really adorable. Just looks like they're using 1x2s on the side, and then just maybe a 6-inch board cut with some rusty metal, little corner to keep it safe. I like it a lot. I love this artwork. $32 each. Really fantastic. Fantastic. Now you might have seen I've started making some pincushions myself out of some of the vintage silver. What do you think? This one is 16. This swan is great. I love everything about it. Just spectacular. Oh, it's the old teddy bear. Very cute. Great way to take some metal curtain rods and make them feel a little more country or a little more French country. Some cute little partridges here. Look, more baskets hanging. Yes, I definitely see this as an upcoming trend. Again, just my style. I love these old prints like this, especially in the oval frames. Love the way this piece has been redone. It's still got its beautiful French handles, which were painted over with a little gold gilding. Love the robin egg, the sanded, and then just waxed wood, and then the beautiful paper that they have chosen for the back of it. Really beautifully redone. Love all the little pieces inside as well. I started doing this on our Glowforge when we had it, but it took so long and I kept making mistakes, so I never got it. Ours wasn't quite big enough. You need a much bigger laser cutter than we had. This is such a good use of laser cutter though, to create these wooden panels for the doors. It's fabulous. I don't know whether this booth is moving in or moving out. There's some good stuff here. And of course, as I started, why do I feel like these were probably hanging up somewhere? Because so far, there's been a lot of hanging baskets lately. Hey guys, we ran into Amanda of Gilded Goods Vintage.
Hi.
I was like asking a question and I saw the grit and grace in the back, and then my brain just sort of connected the dots. We literally watch her channel all the time. So awesome. Good to meet you.
Yeah, I always love meeting fellow vintage enthusiasts.
Yes,
so.
we are a fellow vintage enthusiast. It's just fun to, put face to name and channel and all that.
Yeah.
All the booth beauty.
Yeah, we like, my favorite things are watching booth redos.
Yes.
So.
I'm in the middle of one right now.
And I know that like the last one I watched was you had the wreaths hanging in the window, and you were like, oh, I don't know if I'm going to leave those there or not.
Yeah.
That was the last one I watched. Cool. Good to meet you.
It was great to meet you.
I just saw these at another booth, and she's got 3 of them here. They are $10 each, which is a good price. She still has a few other pieces left here. She's getting ready to, you can see, that the booth is pretty empty. She's getting ready for a reset, and she's doing a 30-day blog challenge on a daily, I guess a blog daily, and she's showing how she's going to redo this booth. So be sure to check her out. I will leave a link in the description for her channel so you can go and look, but for sure this will be a fun redo. I obviously was already following her because I recognized her face. This is such a great store. I love it. I wish it were closer. Dude, that cabinet, seriously, that cabinet is fantastic. Look how amazing it is. Oh, I love it. Love it. Love it. It's beautiful. Cute stuff. I just started learning how to do this kind of latch hook, and this piece is really pretty. This piece is $490 for this little mat, and I believe it because it is incredibly time consuming, and the wool,
Gorgeous.
just the wool alone, is very expensive. So it's not a poor person's project for sure, unless you can go thrifting and get all the wool and cut it up for free. And so when you first come into the store, you're also going to see this cute little cafe, bakery. They have different kind of coffees and espressos, things like that. Little barista back there making us some. And then fresh baked goods as well. Yummy and yummy. I hope you enjoyed seeing some of our stops on the way home. Yeah, if you enjoyed our content today, please be sure to hit like, subscribe. We were actually in Michigan to be with my sister after her husband, Mark, passed along. And then we went back again for the weekend for the funeral. And again, Mark Paul, rest in peace.